What's up guys? Today I'm sharing a Power Hour Spring Clean with me. Tons of cleaning motivation and tips on how I reset my home during nap time. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go.
Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious.
So for any mamas out there, nap time power hours definitely can do the trick. It's a great way to reset your home during nap time. So typically what I like to do is start in Riley's room because she will be going down for a nap soon and I don't want to have to come in here and grab clothes to wash or try and put anything away. So I do as much as I possibly can before she goes down, and then I will then usually head over to my room or somewhere else upstairs and work my way from top to bottom.
You're dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you now had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you. Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me.
By this time, Riley was down for her nap, and I had a couple of clothes that I needed to put away in my room, and then I'm going to do a quick tidy up. Not too much that needed to be done up here. Also, lately, Riley has been playing a lot in her crib instead of going down for a nap, so I do like to stay upstairs and make sure everything is good before heading down and tackling whatever mess is down there.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you. Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
Heading on downstairs into the living room. Riley always wants to play in here for some reason. I guess she's getting tired of her playroom, but this particular day we were building a huge house. We played with all of her little cute Minnie Mouse figurines, and we definitely had a good time. So I'm putting all of her play blocks away and then also going to put all of her toys back into her playroom.
Sip me up like lemonade.
This week 2 since being stuck in the house, and I'm definitely starting to run out of things to do with Riley, so I've been on Pinterest finding different activities, and this week I am looking forward to making some DIY Play-Doh. And then I also printed out these like Play-Doh mats that are really kind of like fun activities to do with little ones, so I will be sharing that on my Instagram, so definitely make sure to follow me there. I've already shared a slime recipe that you guys can do with your little ones with stuff that you probably already have in your house. So if you guys have any recommendations or things that you're doing with your kiddos during this rough time, then please share those down below. I think we could all get some really great ideas.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
These styrofoam pieces that you see were a cute DIY that I was doing for Riley's room. However, I cannot seem to find my hot glue gun, and I need that in order to put everything together. And to be honest, I really don't think that it is an emergency to go out to the store just to get a new hot glue gun. So for now, I'm just going to put it in this bin and then worry about it later.
Stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no.
I was struggling trying to get these sheets back on this daybed. I love the fact that daybeds allow you to save space. However, they did not make it easy when it comes time to putting on sheets.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now.
moving on to the kitchen to clean up lunch and anything else that might have accumulated throughout the day.
Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any.
As I was cleaning the countertops, I noticed that there were some spills from breakfast and lunch earlier in the day, so I'm going to quickly clean the countertops. I did have some time before I needed to wake Riley up, so I figured let me bang this out right now.
Be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night.
more minutes left, and I really wanted to make sure I tackled the dining room because this is where we've been hanging out as I've been working from home. So Riley's been in here, we've done crafts, we painted nails, and I wanted to make sure I cleared off the table and get it looking back to normal.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.